The Oklahoma Supreme Court swore in a new Chief Justice this afternoon.
Dustin Rowe is Governor Stitt's appointee from Tishomingo. He's a longtime city attorney and someone Galen Culver has known since high school.
Galen fills us in on some of the years leading up to this big career milestone.
In so many interesting cases.
It's the quiet moments where the what-ifs come to mind, the important crossroads that one only recognizes in retrospect.
All the stories are about someone's life.
If things had turned out just a little differently, Dustin Rowe could be working on a Sunday sermon instead of a landmark court case.
Well, I told Nicole when we married, we were both sophomores in college, I said I'll either be a preacher or an attorney, but I leaned to being a preacher.
Romanticism, have your four.
He was a senior in high school in 1994. We found him in English class.
Item number 3 is this.
And already campaigning for a second term on the Tishomingo City Council.
I feel like I've done the best of my ability, and I think that people see that.
He was already pretty serious about current events and community service. He wasn't too sure about lawyers, though.
And I was telling my dad one day, I was in college, and I said, I'm considering law school, but I think that there are too many lawyers. What do you think? And my dad said, well, there'll never be enough good lawyers.
Rowe and his wife turned their oars toward home as soon as they handed him a diploma.
So as soon as I graduated, immediately loaded up a U-Haul.
He served 18 years as city attorney before heading back to Oklahoma City, this time as state Supreme Court justice.
So before all of this was here.
Trading home office and city council chambers for a much bigger desk and wider responsibilities.
Such an honor, and it's been an honor.
All right. Oh, stay seated, please. How's everyone doing?
Last week, we were on hand as he swore in another batch of young law students who will act as clerks and interns.
Raise your right hand and repeat after me.
A matter of just a few days later, Dustin Rowe recited his own oath of office as Oklahoma's new Chief Justice of the Supreme Court. The jobs have changed, and so has he, at least on the outside. But he insists a mission to serve has always been his guiding light.
If we take that calling seriously, it's truly the best way to live a meaningful life.
In Oklahoma City, Galen Culver, News 4. Is this a great state or what?
All right, Galen. Well, Chief Justice Rowe's term as Chief Justice actually started at the first of the year. He came to the court back in 2019 and has served as Vice Chief Justice for 2 years. Rowe is a member of the Chickasaw Nation, and his wife is a kindergarten teacher in Moore.